Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and today we're going to be talking about our newly upgraded Torchmate CAD version 10. We have not only optimized the software for performance and general improvements, but Lincoln Electric has taken the voice of the customer into account to make the version 10 software its most efficient and easy to use CAD package to date. You will have the ability to choose between 3 different software options depending on your needs. Torchmate CAD 10 Lite, Full, and Professional. Each option will offer different features, such as irregular shape nesting and raster to vector image tracing with the full package, to text wrapping, fonts, and clip art for signage manufacturers in the Professional package. New for version 10 are fully integrated cut charts in the Torchmate CAD software for the Lincoln Electric FlexCut plasma cutters, allowing for easy programming for proper cut parameters at your design computer, sending complete ready-to-cut files to the machine, making even fewer steps for your operator. Also new is an optimized thermal and marking toolpath creation process. Presets can be customized and saved to optimize your most commonly cut materials. Are you tired of doing that secondary processing on material where those holes are just a little too small? Well, Torchmate CAD 10 has a new bolt hole optimization feature that will configure the cut parameters to optimize your machine for cylindrical holes and slots when the diameter of the holes and radii of the slots are under a 2:1 ratio with the material thickness. A key feature for both artistic and mechanical customers is the raster to vector feature. This allows users to import bitmap, JPEG, PNG, and other photo files into the Torchmate CAD software. The system will convert the image to black and white and automatically trace the edge. Or for more complex multicolor images, you can use the Scan and Trace wizard or trace the edge of the desired part with node editing manually. Whichever way you choose to trace an image, you simply have to scale the part and you have a vector-ready file ready for toolpathing. Another great feature in version 10 is Torchmate CAD's integrated nesting feature. Irregular shape nesting is a breeze with this technology. This allows for quick and easy material utilization for estimating entire jobs in one click. Customers that choose the Torchmate CAD Professional package get access to over 2,000 fonts and 3,000 clip art files, each of which that can be added to. This feature also offers the ability to easily wrap text around a curve or along a path for significantly faster design for signage. Torchmate CAD 10 can accommodate everyone from the budget-friendly hobby user to the full-time professional. More information about the available versions, upgrades, and additional seats can be found at the website on your screen. Lincoln Electric recommends a subscription to our Torchmate Academy for online software training. Go online or give us a call at 866-571-1066 for more information.